Hi friends, in this video I will be showing two methods. Method 1. First, make sure that both TV and mobile phone both are connected to same Wi-Fi network. So here I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network named BSNL 1. So here in the left side you can see I have connected this mobile phone to same Wi-Fi network BSNL 1. After that, in TV, go to settings, then select device preferences, then select chromecast. So here we need to select always here. Then in mobile phone, open Google Play Store, then install Google Home app. I already installed Google Home app. Let me open it. Then log in with the Gmail ID and password. This Google Home app will automatically search and detect cast devices in the same Wi-Fi network. You can see it has detected my TV. So this is the name of the TV. Tap on this name, then tap on cast to my screen, then tap on cast to screen, then tap on start now. See, it's working. So if you want to switch display to full screen while watching videos, you can enable screen rotation on mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. So that way we can switch display to full screen. So if you want to stop this mirroring, again go to Google Home app, then tap on stop mirroring. See, done. So this is a method 1. So let me go to method 2. Open settings, tap on the settings app icon, then select connection and sharing, then select wireless display. This also search and detect cast devices in the same Wi-Fi network. You can see name of the TV here. Tap on this name, then tap on start now. See, it's working. So this is a method 2. So in method 2 I am not using Google Home app. Okay, so if you want to stop this, again go to settings, connection and sharing, then wireless display, then select connected TV. Tap on TV name, then tap on disconnect. See, it's working. So these are the two methods. Okay, so please try it.